In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Fortnite Chapter 7 getting stuck on the loading screen. This is super simple to fix, so we're going to dive straight in this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, whether you're on PC or console, it can be extremely annoying, especially when the game just hangs on connecting forever. But if you are on PC using the Epic Games launcher, here's a quick and reliable fix. First things first, go to make sure that you are closed out of Fortnite and open up the Epic Games launcher and go specifically into your library right here, and you're going to see Fortnite in this section. Look for these three dots right next to it and go ahead and select on them, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select Manage. Now, first things first, go ahead and hit Verify Your Files. This is going to scan all the Fortnite files on your system and automatically repair anything that might be corrupted. So definitely start with this step and then go to this launch options tab and tick it on. And from here, what you're going to want to do is first type in -no splash, just like so. This is going to help skip that initial loading splash animation that often does cause freezes, and then type space -disable GPU crash debugging. This is going to help fix your GPU related stalls or driver related loading issues. And then finally, to force performance mode, hit space again and then do -D3D11, just like so. This is going to make Fortnite start in a lighter, more stable rendering mode. And now, if you go ahead and launch the game, you will be good to go. It's going to continue through the connecting, logging in, registering with lockers, and eventually it's going to load you directly into the main menu. And just like that, no more infinite loading screen. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.